What is going on YouTube? Hitterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode, and in today's video we have to continue from where we left off yesterday, basically discussing the consolidation that's taking place amongst most of the major cryptocurrency. As you guys know, yesterday was Good Friday, which means that the stock market was closed, and that therefore means we typically don't see much movement in any of the major cryptocurrencies as well as the stock market. And then we have Saturday today, and then we have Sunday, and then we have Monday morning. So we have quite a long time, Thursday afternoon to Monday morning. The market is going to be closed. Not many people are going to be trading or watching the stock market as they once usually do, and that's going to cause a lot of consolidation to form within some of the major cryptos. There's going to be very little volume. At least that's what typically happens across the board here, and we're already starting to see this take place within these major cryptos. XRP, for example, since the holiday, but for the most part here, we have been 100% forming some sort of symmetrical triangle here within its ascending fractal here. You can see it clear as day here, where we have been doing nothing but bouncing, ping-ponging off top resistance, floor, resistance, floor, resistance, and just filling this gap in slowly and surely until we come to a point where we're going to have to make a decision. You guys know we've trended outside the ascending fractal here, and we are forming what appears now to be some sort of very tiny uptrend, some very tiny support, something like along the lines of this. You can see it here. I think it's time where we could delete these for right now, but you can start to see that that's the new kind of pattern forming, and as this pans out, so does the price right here. But it goes beyond XRP. Solana is slowly getting close to making its final decision as to which direction we're going to be buying into, as well as other cryptos like Ethereum here, which we're going to have to tweak the chart. And same thing with Bitcoin. We're going to have to tweak the chart ever so slightly. And then we'll wrap things up today with the S&P 500. Very excited for that. But before I continue any further, remember, guys, we are still doing our Amazon gift card giveaway. If you guys want to win an Amazon gift card as well as BidFi merch, all you got to do is comment your favorite crypto down in the comment section below, as we'll be picking the winner tomorrow morning. And also make sure to subscribe, because if you aren't subscribed, I'll pick somebody else and I won't choose you. Anywho, I mentioned yesterday that BidFi is doing a new bonus for their 4th anniversary here. They've been around for 4 years now, through thick and thin, through other crypto winners, and it's exciting because we have to talk about it here. They sent me this and I was going to show it to you yesterday, but I forgot to pull it up. But you can see this is the BidFi 4th anniversary here. You can share in they're giving away $20,000 in a prize pool by inviting friends. Literally, you can see the referral rewards here that you guys can take advantage of. You can find your referral link. Literally just search through the website and you'll find that it's pretty simple. You click on like affiliates or rewards or referrals or something like that. Pretty sure it's like you click on where is it? You click yourself, I think, and then you can go over to the affiliate. But it should be pretty easy for you guys to find out. If not, let me know in the comments and I'll put it in the next video. But you can see here, sharing a $20,000 prize pool by inviting friends. 2 friends you refer, you get $10, and they just got to sign up. $10, 3 is 20, 6 is 50, and it goes all the way up. Then you can earn extra rewards based on cumulative invitation days. Not entirely sure what that means, but you can see here the days, I guess, of invitations. Not entirely sure. More information is going to be in the description down below. I guess more information is also over here. Valid invitation day means your newly registered friend actively participates with a contract volume of 50,000 USDT or more during the event. So that's going to be a bit harder to control, but you could definitely get people to sign up. So I'd focus more on this top one, the 20K that they're giving away here, as well as the fact that they are giving away $200 in SHIB and $200 in USDT by literally a free airdrop, which ends tomorrow. So stay tuned if you want to win free Shiba Inu. The airdrop ends tomorrow. They'll be picking the winners. And then also, or I think it might be in another couple of days. I told them to extend it, for longer, or for around 2 weeks. But they also are giving away 200 in USDT by signing up with the link down in the description. Anywho, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. So guys, yesterday, pretty much talking about that we are very close to making some sort of decision. You can see here, this is an extremely important update that we were going over as we roll into the weekend here. We're inside an ascending fractal here, and specifically within this ascending fractal, we're getting very close to the top resistance. And obviously, one of two things can happen. You guys already know what that is. We either dump or we pump. One or the other. It's that simple here. We either pump up or we dump down, and we'll hopefully find that answer very soon within this week, and it's probably going to happen towards Monday here because the markets are closed. Anywho, jumping to the current coin market cap here, you can see the global crypto market cap we're up. We're at 80 on the extreme fear and greed, which is good. But for the past 24 hours, we're kind of consolidating, doing nothing, which is expected because of this weekend that I told you, the holiday. But we're up 8 to 10% for the week, which is pretty nuts. You could just see, though, that, like I said, the consolidation's already taken place. We have Thursday afternoon into today, Saturday. It's just a lot of this floating sideways movement here with a lot of these cryptos, and that's okay, and that's expected, and that's anticipated that we don't see much movement right now. Gives everybody a break, a much needed, overdue break here, but at some point we are going to have to kick things up a notch, and hopefully it's sooner than later. Anywho, as you guys know, we are tracking the 5th bull flag on XRP. We've been through 4. We've been through 5 already. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4. We're looking at the 5th one. Since we broke out of this bull flag, clear as day, flag pull, flag itself, break out. You can see we're now focused right here on how we're doing with this ascending fractal, which is the break outside of the bull flag, the downtrend here. We broke out of the downtrend. We're heading up. And you can see within this uptrend here, the higher low, higher high movements, because we've been consecutively creating new highs. So we're still in this bull run. It's just taken, quite a long time, and that's okay here. But if you bought in right here, you'd still be up, and we're still going to continue upwards, in my opinion here. You can see the consolidation that's taking place right now, where we are creating these kind of lower lows and higher highs. So each time, lower highs and higher lows. Each time we have a low, it's higher than the last. And each time we have a high, it's lower than the last. So it all comes into a decision point, which is currently, the beginning of April here, like the first week in April. Now, we could obviously break out much quicker than that or not. We can fill in this gap here, but we did discover this downtrend here. We're waiting to see kind of what's the pattern that's going to come out of this. Yes, this downtrend's here. I'm not going to use this as a base reference point unless you are an aggressive trader. If we close above it, then it's an aggressive trade. But if you want to wait conservatively, if we close above I was having trouble with this, either the pink or the red price ceiling, then I would buy in, because you can see where we've had problems in the past here. Over and over and over and over again, constantly getting berated by this and correcting lower here. If we can break through it, then we should be able to continue this upwards trend and trajectory, where I would think we would get close to 75 cents, 76 cents here. It just comes down to filling this gap in, because it is at some point going to make some sort of pop. Something is going to come out of this. It's just going to take longer because of how long this 5th bull flag was. Anywho, moving forward, Solana is going to be one of these cryptos that's we're going to see movements much quicker than we would have expected. We have this uptrend here. We're creating these higher lows. We're creating this movement on this beautiful daily uptrend here. Problem is now we're getting real stuck. We've divvied ourselves away from this on this beautiful uptrend as well. It's a very aggressive uptrend here, but the problem becomes the fact that we are now retesting a price ceiling, the all-time highs for 2024. Very close to the all-time highs ever in Solana, actually, but even then, we're having a problem breaking through it. Now, I do think at some point we will. It just might not be now. But you can see here, one top, here we are with the second top. Very simply put, we close a daily above this, we buy in, and we can long this to the upside here. If we don't, we are going to see a correction back down to moving average. That's where I'm leaning more towards. I think it's a healthier pullback than us breaking through the top, but it's that simple. And it's all coming down to like this weekend, if not this week, because we are so close to popping. And if we break through this, it's literally, if we close it, we're going to see this. We're going to just blow up. It's going to be incredible. Otherwise, we close below the yellow band, we're going to dump to moving average here. So it's one or the other. You just have to be patient. Once we get that signal, either on the 4-hour chart or the daily, we'll be buying in and taking advantage of this uptrend. But until then, we have to be sitting ducks. We have to wait. We have to watch how this plans out, because you can clearly see the pattern here. And at some point, we are going to be stuck right now between a rock and a hard place, and it's going to be decision time. So hopefully, patiently we can wait for that and capitalize off that run. Anywho, moving forward to Ethereum, and then we'll wrap things up with Bitcoin and the S&P. You can see if I extend this, we're going to do it like this. We're going to do, it don't matter. We'll just leave it like this. I don't think we're out of it just yet. So there is some sort of resistance here. Maybe if I jump to the daily, it'll be a little easier. You can kind of see that problem zone too, but we are in some sort of fractal forming here. And I don't want to say we broke out of it just yet. I still think we're inside of it here by the looks of this movements here. So I'm going to leave it alone like this. But again, just wait for this to play out. I think Solana and XRP are better trades than Ethereum right now. But just let's just wait. Patiently wait for these movements to complete themselves. Same thing with the 4-hour charts here. We're going to just tweak this like this and go on from there. The hourly charts very much so incorporate what we're dealing with right now. You can see on the 4-hour yet again that we are in a higher low pattern here. We broke out of a descending broadening wedge, which is bullish. And here we are doing that. Now we're getting close to retesting all-time highs again. So simply put, let's let this fill out because we're going to continue to fill this out here. Then we're going to make a decision whether up or down is to come. And, it's simple. We break through the ceiling on the 4-hour, we buy in long. We break through the floor on the 4-hour, we buy in and we short. And it's literally that simple. Now, obviously, you could take advantage of all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy log, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses. Everything you'd want to do is offered on this exchange. They have a way for you to earn over $2,000 in Monopoly money. They have a way for you to earn over $2,000 in real bonus money. That simple by completing these tasks with the link in the description. And then they also have a demo trading account, which gives you $50,000 in Monopoly money to practice your trades, practice my trades, and get familiar with the platform. And then you can click this and head on over to the live exchange and play around with real crypto, which is super cool as well. You can see right here. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.